We now turn to meteorologist John Adams. A long, rainy day it's been. What do we need to know, John?
Well, we are looking at more of that to continue tonight. As you can see, we've got rain all along Interstate 20 out in West Texas, across the Metroplex, and across the northern portions of our area. That has been mainly where that has been running through the day. It's ahead of an upper level low pressure trough, which is out over West Texas and kind of anchored there, but it continues to send this rain eastward. Now, we are going to see some of this moisture rotate down toward the south, and already starting to see the rain pick up there in the College Station area and over toward Houston into our southern counties. That is going to be the trend as we go through the night. Of course, it's north of a stationary front, and behind this, the air is cooler and has been getting cooler throughout the day. So we had high temperatures this morning that were warmer than what they have been this afternoon. This is Futurecast and how things should play out tonight. You see the rain continues and gets a little heavier, or at least a lot heavier, over the southern portions of the area as we go up to midnight tonight, and those temperatures continue to gradually fall off into the overnight hours. Now, by Sunday 10 o'clock in the morning, you see the rain is gone. We've still got the clouds, but as we go into the afternoon, we finally get some breaks in the clouds, and with a turn to southerly winds early in the week, we will continue to see a warm-up begin, but we do have a chilly morning coming up for you, especially Monday morning, and then the afternoon should be nice and sunny with that southerly wind. Get another front coming in at midweek, and we'll pick up some cloud cover at that point on Wednesday, but not a big chance of rain coming up this time around for the East Texas area the later in the week and into the weekend. Here's our temperatures right now. We're showing readings in the 50s in Deep East Texas, but falling off northward as you move up across the interstates into the upper 40s up along Interstate 30 to the north. Normally, we're about 77 to 79 degrees for our afternoon temperatures. Not too far from that in Deep East Texas, but it is cooler than normal there. And then as you move northward, those temperatures for the highs, and these again were recorded after midnight this morning, and those temperatures into the upper 50s in the north. Low temperatures, as the readings continue to fall off through the day, are about where we are now, into the 50s across much of the area, with some 40s up to the north. Normally, we're about 55 to 56 degrees. Our forecast lows for Sunday morning say we'll continue to fall off into the middle and upper 40s then, so temperatures will be running much cooler than normal for this time of the year. Sunday afternoon, our forecast high temperatures are into the 60s, but that's about 10 to 15 degrees below the average for this time of the year. Here's a look at overnight. We're expecting a low temperature around 48 degrees, showers and thunderstorms, some heavy, and we're talking upwards of 2 to 4 inches of rain. Some places could get even more, and the chance of rain is right at 100%. Winds out of the northeast, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow we'll start off with some morning showers. As we go through the day, it will become partly cloudy, and we'll get to see some sunshine in the afternoon. Northeast winds around 15 miles per hour. The trend on the high temperatures over the next 7 days going to be a steady increase, especially as we pick up that south wind. So we'll go from highs in the 60s late this weekend and early in the week, all the way up into the mid 80s by the time Saturday gets here. And again, we'll have a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms at the end of the week and into the weekend. Not expecting anything close to what we have been experiencing today. Here come your next 7 days. Sunshine Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures jumping up to the mid 70s by Tuesday afternoon. Upper 70s by Wednesday. We'll begin to pick up a little more cloud cover, and we're going right now a 30 to 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms for the weekend. For Deep East Texas, you're expecting to see some rain overnight, getting heavier, and some morning showers tomorrow, but by afternoon we'll pick up partly cloudy skies. Monday and Tuesday look sunny. Wednesday and Thursday partly cloudy. We're back into the 80s. Friday and Saturday a slight chance for showers and a few thunderstorms with high temperatures into the middle 80s. You can check that forecast anytime by going to our website, ketk.com.